spent some time in it.
The central government has agreed to maintain a separate file for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council while earmarking tied and untied funds for the 3 autonomous district councils under the 15th Finance Commission, even as the fund, not less than rupees 200 crore, will be released to the KHADC alone. Informing this, KHADC Chief Executive Member Pinyad Singh's aim told reporters that the central government, through the Ministry of Panchayati Raj and Ministry of Finance, has maintained separate files in Delhi with regard to the tied and untied funds that should be allocated for the 3 ADCs in Meghalaya.
Kapisa kepada sa kepada ben pelak syaka district council kejungi bat kini kiwe te tang na kamenta ke district council KHDC kabasa ben pelak kalong arspa krur na kamenta development fund lingba ka 15 finance commission.
The Research and Development Committee